Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in Brussels, specifically Brussels Midi. The official founding of Brussels dates to 979, when the first permanent fortification was built. Brussels thrived thanks to its strategic location along the Bruges-Ghent-Cologne trade route. Brussels is also the capital of Belgium and is considered a business city where English is the common language and therefore it is spoken extensively. Currently we are in Grootmarkt. It's a beautiful center, and that building right there looks like it's made out of gold. I doubt it's real gold. And all the buildings here seem to have some sort of medieval Gothic style, and it's simply impressive in my opinion, so have a look. I'm seeing a Dunkin' here. The name is Don't Call Me Jennifer. Behind us, we have the Chapel of the Madeleine, which was built in the 13th century by Socite monks and destroyed in 1580 by the Calvinists. Constructed in brick and sandstone, this sanctuary with 3 naves ending with a 5-penchevette was built in the 14th century in late Brabant Gothic style. Here we are at Kerk Saint-Jacob op Coudenberg, which is an 18th century neoclassical church, royal parish and cathedral for the armed forces. It was Prince Charles of Lorraine, governor of Austrian Netherlands, who was behind the creation of the Palace Royal and the church at its center. This was built between 1776 and 1787 and is the work of the architects Guimard and Montoyer. We are currently in front of the museum Koninklijke Museum voor Schone Kunsten van België, otherwise known as the Royal Museums of Fine Arts, is made up of 4 parts: Musée Marguerite, Musée Fin du Siècle, Exposition Temporaire, and Musée Old Master. They hold the most important collection of visual arts of the country, which consists of a collection of over 20,000 artworks from the 15th to the 21st century. And this is apparently some marketplace where they sell all types of items: jewelry, paintings, clothes, furniture, jewelry, everything you can possibly think of. It is interesting. Here behind me we have Duhal Port Museum and Panamera. Basically what it has are armories, weapons, and you'll also find a theatre section which includes theatre things, puppets and so forth. It's art, it's artistic, it's theatre. And finally, that ends my trip here in Brussels today. It was simply fantastic. I am tired, so I might not seem as energetic as usual. However, all in all, I absolutely loved my time here. I also note that here in Brussels there are a lot of chocolate shops. Yes, a lot of chocolate shops. That's super cool. In fact, Belgium is said to have the best chocolate in the world. They also have another speciality, which includes waffles, and you will therefore see a lot of waffle and ice cream stands or trucks, such as these ones. There's also a melting pot of different people here. I've met some Japanese, Hispanics, French of course, Belgian, Americans. Yes, I've met a lot of people here, and that is simply amazing. Koreans. I can't forget the Koreans, so yes, why not come to Belgium? A boiling pot of different cultures is simply amazing. And finally, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.